Dear friends, good morning and namaskar. I, Jaswant Singh Kailasia, welcomes you in our YouTube channel, Parad Germinates the Democracy. This channel also having an Hindi version named as Parad Loktantra Ka Ankuran. This channel is an official channel of our newly launched political party, Parad. We consider that this political party is the first and the only political party of India. We have prepared a vision document of this party, and nowadays we are discussing about the contents of some important chapter of this vision document. Now, in this chapter, we are discussing the contents of chapter 16 of the vision document. The title of this chapter is Some Statements, Stands, Concepts and Analysis of the Parad. This chapter has been divided into 7 parts. This episode belongs to the 5th part of this chapter, as that we have requested in previous episode that our party's vision document is a purely technical in nature, and we are not perfect in speaking the English language, so we are directly reading the contents of this chapter like this. 45. A billion-dollar question is that according to the scientific law of conservation of energy, since last 70 years from all over the world, for the purpose of exhaustive development and flow of Ganga's stream of development, borrow very huge amount of loan, resources, industrial technologies, etc. But where these have been gone, because amongst the common men, approximately 35% of them living in below poverty line, BPL, approximately 80% population's diet is not considered under a balanced diet. Approximately 40% peoples are compelled to live in huts and slums. In the Human Development Index, India is a very low position. The top secret is that under a deliberate and the intentional policies adopted by the Indian ruling class as described above, and under a confidential, unseenable, very fine and very complex financial, economical, industrial, infrastructure developmental sucking system policies made themselves 10% very richer. 46. National unity, national integration, unity in diversity is India's specialty. Cultural nationalism, common culture of Ganga and Yamuna are only slogans and propaganda. There is no any ground realities of these slogans. Kindly attention, please. Nationalities never be unite. They have to be hybridized biologically, culturally and geographically. Then they become an ideal nation. 47. Unacceptance once of the fact described in above para number 46 and the technical, scientific, historical, academic facts, realities of there are so many nationalities in a country. I repeat this, there are so many nationalities in United States of India is a great mistake and omission of the Indian ruling class. Due to unacceptance of these facts, realities, there are so many serious problems in India, even to that extent that because of unacceptance of them, problem of separatism and terrorism also exists. 48. The opinion of Parad is that there is no any political party, nor there is no any opposition party, nor even there is no any ruling party in India. What is there in India? It is only ruling class. 49. The ruling class of India not even successful in converting and projecting the bad and negative things activities into good and positive things activities, but also successful in glorifying them. For example, it propagandized and project foreign investment as a good and positive financial commercial activity and glorify them by grand publicity through organizing grand and huge celebrations and stage shows, those termed as foreign investors summit. For these publicity celebrations and stage show, huge government money fund budget is expended, which is collected from the earning of sweat and blood of common gullible masses. Though reality is that foreign investment is not a donation or gift, but it is a loan borrowed with interest, which is ultimately have to have make repayment by only working producer classes, not by this non-working, non-producer consumer ruling class. 50. In one side, ruling class of India provides the loan profusely without any obstruction to its subject, and yet in other side waived these loans blindly. In these affairs, main object of the ruling class is that it wants to be kept economically and mentally slave to its subject at any how. 51. Ruling class of India also launched and implemented so many plans, schemes, programs, packages related to economic reliefs, concessions, and distribution of several daily needs. Ruling class of India hail and propagandize them as that good, positive, and great public welfare schemes. It also projects them as great achievement as to public welfare in the society, though it is a philosophical reality that free gotten material and loan are always considered as bad things affairs in the society. 52. There are 70 years have been lapsed while the Constitution of India implemented. Before 70 years ago, the mental, cultural, educational, economic, social, religious, theosophical, etc. situation, conditions of the country and of the common man were very different. Nowadays, there are huge changes in thinking, opinion, and in mutual interaction as years back in the different societies, classes, groups, communities, ethnic group in India and in the world. There have been very great and drastic changes in all sphere of life as compared to 70 years back. So many precisions also have been emerged as a natural rule. Hence, accordingly, it has been very mandatory to be incorporated these times demanded precisions in the Constitution of India. It is very essential that in different articles of the Constitution of India, according to the principle of jurisprudence and scientific principles, more and more logistic, logical, precise annotation, connotations, and further explanation must be incorporated. Dear friends, with this we conclude this episode. Thanks for being with us. Namaskar.